So what have we got going on? I have shown you that we've been graphing equations. We're at 6.2c. Yesterday we just did domain and range. So I gave you a lot of equations like y equals 2 to the x, or f of x equals 2 to the x, something like that. So today I'm actually going to put another number in front. A is the initial amount, and then this is the base and the exponent. The initial amount is also called the y-intercept. And the b is how the y values change. Okay? So today we're just going to be looking at graphs, and we're going to be looking at equations and identifying things like the y-intercept. We're also going to be identifying the domain and the range. So what we did yesterday will continue again. So now, based on that, after the equal sign, there'll either be one number or two numbers. The first number that's not attached to the exponent would be the initial amount, the y-intercept. The number attached to the exponent is called the initial amount. If I give you an equation like y equals 2 to the x, that means that there's a 1 in front. A times b to the x. So that means that my y-intercept is 1. My y-intercept is 1 a lot, like a lot, you guys. And then 2 is, every y value multiplies by 2. It changes by 2. It doubles. So let's practice this 3 and this 4. The 3 is called my what? Look up here. What's the 3? Tell someone at your table. The 3 right after the equal sign is the what? Is the initial value, the A, also the y-intercept. So I'm going to put initial value is 3. I just put in it, like abbreviation. Then my constant ratio, I'm just going to put ratio for abbreviation. Ration. Why did I put ration? Yes, sir. I don't. I'm in the middle of recording. I can't. Here. You can have my original. Okay. Ratio is 4. Okay. How about number 2? What's my initial value? Other people? I know you know it. Class, what's my initial value? Yay! You sound so excited. What's my ratio? Just 2. Good. Remember, the initial value is a lot of times 1. Like here. My initial value is 1, my y-intercept. Here's what we're going to do every question today. Domain, range, asymptote. Can you guys still say it? Asymptote. Y-intercept. Okay. I realize this is very light and fadey, but it never touches the 0. My asymptote is y equals 0. Let me make it purple for you. My domain, if this line goes forever and ever and never touches to the left, that's negative infinity. So yesterday's lesson, I'm at the left side, negative infinity. And look, the arrow goes up to the right, to positive infinity. All real numbers, negative infinity to positive infinity, all real numbers. Range. Okay. There's nothing down here. Nothing. Oh, just a little bit above 0. So I'm going to do parentheses because it doesn't touch 0, not bracket. Parentheses 0. Jaden, is everything okay? comma, and it goes to the right. Right, right, right. Remember, domain is left and right, range is up, is bottom to top. What's my y-intercept? Where is this hit at my pencil? What's that? 1. Yes, sir. Because it's nothing in the negative, nothing, nothing, you know how you go from low to high? Nothing, 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 nothing. Right above 0 is where I start seeing my line. It never crosses that purple line. It never crosses the asymptote. Number 4, domain, range, asymptote, y-int. Dre, yeah. All right. Domain. It goes forever to the left. Start at the left. It goes forever to the right. This is going to be all real numbers. Negative infinity to positive infinity. Range, low to high. It's not in the negatives. Nope, 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 nope. But, okay, take a break. Thank you for helping. Okay. It's never going to touch 0, but it gets so, so close. So that's why it's a parentheses 0. If it touched 0, I'd do bracket 0. Comma, and it goes up, 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 infinity. Asymptote. What's the line that it approaches but never touches? This y equals 0 is the equation. Because on the y-axis, it's at 0. Y-intercept, what's that at? Dot at? Dot at 1. Okay, turn the page. We're identifying key features. So it's going to be domain, range, asymptote, y-intercept. So, domain. This domain, you guys, it starts at 0 and it touches 0. Domain goes from left to right. There's nothing in the negative on this. Bracket, check it out. Bracket 0, because see how the dot is on 0? So left to right, left, and then it's going to stop. What's this number right here that it stops? Oh, there's an arrow there. Sorry, there's an arrow. That's going to be infinity. Parentheses after infinity. Range, low to high. I need to let you know that the y-intercept is 0, 1. They all are pretty much, okay. Range, low to high. Since this starts at 1, it's going to be bracket 1, and then up, 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 infinity. So that's different. Asymptote. It never ever touches the y equals 0. Y-intercept. I just told you it's at 1. You guys, I need you to make an arrow on this. This goes forever. I want you to try number 6 with your groups. Where does it start? On domain and range. Go ahead. All right, where does my graph start? On the left. No, this line, not negative, but it starts at, no, that's the y-intercept. But let's put that down, 80, y-intercept. It starts scanning left to right. No, 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 0. Bracket 0, because it touched, see, the dot is on 0. It touches 0. And it goes more to the right forever. The arrow needs to be there. Infinity, you are right, ma'am. Or parentheses, parentheses. Low to high. This is special. No negative, low to high, right? You guys realize this graph goes like this. But I just don't show you anything else except for low to high. Range. No, 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 no. Okay, it doesn't really hit 0, but it gets so close. So I get to do parentheses 0, low. That's the low point. And then up, 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 up. Where does it stop? 80. Bracket or parentheses at 80? Bracket, because it stops at 80 and it touches 80. Asymptote means what's the line that gets really close but it never touches? Y equals 0. A lot of these are y equals 0. Okay. You would see that the whole graph would be like shifted down or shifted up, and then it would be a different number. All right, 7. Look what I did. I put that 1 there to let you know, oh yeah, y-intercept, initial value. Okay. Domain. You guys, for these, the graph is the normal curve looking. It's going to be all real numbers. Negative infinity, positive infinity. The range is also going to be like these, guys. It's going to look like these. 0, infinity. The graph looks like 3 and 4. I didn't draw the graph because I want you to be able to. If it's just a typical normal equation, then everything's the same. 0, infinity. Asymptote, y equals 0. Okay, y-intercept. It's the A, initial value, right after the equal sign. What is it? 1. This one is 2. Good job. So everything else, though, is exactly as it's been. Because this graph has a y-intercept at 2, but it looks the same, like this. It's just shifted up. It's at 2. Domain, same. All real numbers. Negative infinity to positive infinity. Range is going to be at 0, infinity. And then the asymptote, y equals 0. Excellent job.